Well, gonna have me a little bean stew. Getting the campfire going. You know how that works, huh? Looking good. Gotta make coals so we can get that stew going. Be back later. Starting to take root here. Looking good. That's what I'm saying. Gotta get them coals going. We got the beans cooking. I guess I'll chop up some onions and throw in there also. Be right back. Got the onions chopped up. Let's bring her on over to the pot. I see it's already boiling. There we go. Be right back. Get that stirred up a bit. Looking good. She'll thicken up as she boils. Sweet. Well, I'm thinking she's about ready to get dove into. Looking good. Let's taste it. Now that's some tasty stuff. Oh yeah. You know what they say? The more you eat, the more you toot. Till next time.